What it is, what it do, what it ain't. It's your boy Frizzle
And Tia.
What's happening, y'all? What's going on? Today is day 2 of our 1-year anniversary. You know what I'm saying? We are here in Destin, Florida. Boy, we finna go jet skiing, boy. Y'all hit that like, subscribe, comment button. We finna take y'all with us on the jet ski, riding like a group, riding like a group, hey. You know what I'm saying? Hey, you know, we just enjoying our life, man. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Fresh and Till. We out here in Destin, Florida. We finna hop on these skis. We got the GoPro, and it's going down, man. Y'all stay tuned. This is day 2. Ski. Y'all like, subscribe, comment, stay tuned. We're gonna be right back. What's up, man?
My name's Connor.
What's up, bro?
I'll be running you through the jet ski today.
Alright.
We're going to be on our TLC right here. I'm going to go over all the storage compartments first.
Okay.
There's going to be a large storage compartment in the front right here.
See, that's what I was good. See, we got a storage compartment.
Right here,
So.
you're going to have a registration insurance and
A few moments later.
Big boy mountain. Yo, what up, y'all? We back. Shit, we just took a break, you know what I'm saying? Baby was getting a little scared on there. She kind of scared me a little bit. But we took a little break, man. It's kind of like cool out here a little bit. You know what I'm saying? Like, it ain't cold, but it's like a little breeze when you ride going like 50 miles per hour, bro. So, you know, we're on a little island. We taking a little break. You know what I'm saying? We enjoying ourselves. Y'all like, subscribe, comment on this video. Let's go. It's Fresh and Till. We out here. We on what we at?
Crab Island.
Crab Island, baby. Let's get it, man. We in the water. We jet skiing on the dirt bike. Yeah. You already know, man. We out here, man. Y'all hit that like, subscribe, comment on this thing. We out. We gonna tune back in. This is day 2 of our 1-year anniversary. We in Destin, Florida. We living our best life. Let's get it, man. Somebody put a little thing in. It's our view right now. Yo, what it do? We back at the crib and we like on this blue island. I'm like, go honey, get it bunny, go honey.
Look at this dude.
Get it, bunny.
Wait till you see the.
Hey, y'all like, subscribe, comment, man. We lit. We back at the crib. We chilling, man. We ain't doing nothing else today, boy. You know what I'm saying? It's your boy Fresh and Teal. We in here. We appreciate everybody that's tapping in, that's supporting, showing us love, real genuine love. We love y'all, and y'all keep doing and supporting us, and we're gonna keep dropping this fire-ass content and giving y'all something to watch, keeping y'all, you know what I'm saying, keeping y'all minds and y'all eyes occupied. You know what I'm saying?
Fresh and Tia. Like, subscribe, comment.
Yeah, boy.
Rolling like a big shot.